All right, if you're looking for a classic 4x4, let's take a look at this one. 1987 Chevy Silverado K10. As you can see, suspension lift to this one. Nice looking truck in white and some nice modern amenities to it. We'll hit kind of as I go around it and tell you about it. Underneath the hood, powered by a 350 Chevy V8 that is paired with a automatic overdrive transmission, 700R4 tranny. Also some nice equipment too. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. Power windows, power locks, tilt. So a lot of nice options on this truck. Truck was restored less than 7,000 miles ago, and you can check out the still pictures. So if you want to check out the interior, the underside, check out the Rancho suspension components, the engine bay, check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Call induction. Hood has been added to it. Nerf bars. Paint on this truck, again, nice shape. These tires were put on when the restoration was done, so you can see what there is for tread life left there. Again, not a lot of miles on this truck since it was restored. When we get around to the driver's side, we'll check out the interior. You can see how nice the seats, interior is in this one too. And you can see up and down it. This truck is straight. Actually came to us from the southeast when it came to where we're located at here in the Midwest. This truck has not been around here its entire life. It's easy to see. Bed on it, also in nice shape. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. A couple of the guys here have driven this truck. The one thing they commented about is it drives down the road without wandering. Lots of times these lifted trucks like to wander a little bit. You know what I'm talking about. So this one drives nicely. Once again, check out the still pictures, interior, underside. All those still pictures are going to be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. This truck does also have dual tanks on it. Switch on the dash for that. Yeah, just look up and down. You can see that white's got a nice gloss to it. Deep shine. You can see how clean this truck is underneath it too. Newer exhaust, and again the Rancho suspension components. Alright, let's check out the interior of this. Interior looks very stock. Burgundy interior on the white. Of course, your power windows, power locks. Climb in this a second. We'll fire it up for you. All right, some of the components, I did have the windows locks working. AC worked, blew cold, wipers worked. Aftermarket Panasonic stereo's been added to it. All right, gauges are all working also, assuming that temp gauge is going to come up as it warms up. Fuel gauge, oil pressure, battery, four-wheel drive shifter on the floor. Dash looks good, not cracked. Headliner also in nice shape. Don't have the stereo on, but that does work. Headliner. Interior also very nice on this truck. So nicely that door closes and fits. Not too crazy exhaust. Nice little rumble out of that 350. Speaking of the 350, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pop the hood. Check out that engine bay. See how it looks. Alright, here you go. Hood pop. You can see how induction hood there. 350 power steering, power brakes. AC. Once again, AC does local. Pretty stock looking under here. Nothing too crazy as far as modifications go. Smooth running 350, sounds good. There you have it. 1987 Chevrolet K10, regular cab short box 4x4. Beautiful looking truck. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it, so it'll bring you right to our website. Remember, we can get this car to where you're located at, help you out with the transportation, may be eligible for an extended service contract. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.